Okay, this is a mobile phone and this is all you're going to need to generate free PayPal money in this video. I am going to show you a new 2022 free PayPal hack and all you need is this device, a cell phone. If you have a cell phone, this will work anywhere in the world and it is completely free. What's great about this strategy is that there are only a couple of steps you need to take to implement it and start making a free pay company. This is an incredible free PayPal hack that you won't want to miss. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Now, this website has worked with hundreds of advertisers to provide you quick and enjoyable ways to make additional income and get payments by PayPal, Dwolla, Skrillcheck, and Amazon.com and earn chips to redeem for a variety of gift cards and prizes. You may even request a personalized gift card from your favorite business, and as you can see, there are payment alternatives, the primary one being PayPal. Okay, that's the entire key here, PayPal. So let's get right into it. Good enough if you want to make a little more dollars without joining up for websites or performing other freebie offerings, consider the following options. They are free and just take a click and a few seconds of your time, so what better way to spend your time than with paid to click ads? Simply by clicking on ads, you will be paid in PayPal money. This is an incredible PayPal opportunity for anyone looking to make extra money. If you're looking to earn a few free extra bucks and don't mind sharing your information with reputable advertisers, then check out these free offers. No credit card is ever required. They have daily opportunities and you will be amazed at how quickly your account balance will grow. As you complete these free offers, you will earn daily, weekly, and monthly contest bonuses on top of your offer earnings. So there are also contests, they also add bonuses, they give you all of these things on top of your earnings just by looking at all of the free offers or doing a survey or looking at their offer loss and completing those type of surveys and those type of tasks, and they pay all to PayPal money. Guys, if you don't have a PayPal account, go to paypal.com and create a free PayPal account right now. But let me tell you, the value bombs that are placed in these videos are tremendous. You should watch this video if you want to learn about Bitcoin for beginners in 2022. Good enough, so returning to the website name is squishycash.com. Squishycash.com has never been spoken on this channel before, and I'm going to give you a bonus here in a second, guys. Okay, this is going to be major for you, right? But you can do so many things on squishycash.com again. It pays via PayPal, Amazon, Target, Starbucks, gift cards, Visa cards, whatever you desire. iTunes has it all right now. Squishy Cash works with marketers to pay you for joining up for free sites, completing offers, doing surveys, testing items, or purchasing online. These are things that we've discussed before right on other sites. What makes Squishy Cash different? They have a multi-tier payout system. Let me explain that to you, okay? You understand what you can do. It is a free sign up. You sign up right here and you earn $3 just for signing up. That is bonus number one right there. Boom, okay? Sign up, earn $3 now for free, alright? Then you just log in and then you start doing the survey and you start doing the tasks. Here is the most important benefit. I showed you the first bonus, which is sign up for free. Right? Here is the biggest bonus. I want you to come down here, alright? And I want you to look at referral program. Now stick with me because this is going to blow your mind. I'm going to click on referral program. You need to understand how big this is, guys. They pay you and you can earn 25 of what your friends make in earnings. 5 of what your second level referrals earn percent from your third level referrals earn percent from your third level, 1% from your fourth level, and 1% from your 5th level. This is a multi-tier payout system, so basically what they're saying is that if you refer a friend, you're going to get 25% of what they make in cash, right? And if they refer a friend, that's your 2nd or 3rd level. You're going to get a percentage of that as well. You're going to get 2%. I'm sorry, 5% of the 2nd level, 2% of the 3rd level, and 1%. This thing can just snowball into something that turns into a lot of money, okay? You can earn $250, $260 a day if you have enough people signing up. You're leveraging the efforts of others. You sign one person up, you get paid 25% for them. Anything that they earn, they sign somebody up. You're going to get 5% of what of the person they signed up, and if they sign somebody up, and so on, up to 5 levels of earning potential. I've never seen anything like this on a survey site before. This is an incredible PayPal hack, guys. If you really focus on it and start referring people to squishy cash, you can build a team of people working for you and have PayPal money coming into your account without doing anything. Check it out right now. This is a fantastic chance to make a lot of money. But if you want some life-changing money, guys, and you want to know exactly what I'm doing, I want to give you some free training on it. I don't need your credit card and I don't want your credit card, so click the link down in the description of this video. It is absolutely free, in-depth, and it gives you the blueprint of exactly what I'm doing to create multiple 6-figure incomes online right now by doing it part-time. As well, if you're interested in changing your life right now, click on the link down in the video description, but then you've got to get to work because nothing comes just by clicking on a link. You've got to actually get in there, dig in, and get to work. So if you're interested in doing that and want to watch the free training, click on the link right now and it'll start free training day number 1. And again, keep your wallets in your pockets or purses. I don't need them, just absorb the free training and then go out there and use it. Okay guys, and remember, it's time to invest in your business and it's time to invest in yourself. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.